Get our brains working. Good morning, everyone. Prepper Nurse 1 here. It is Sunday morning. Beautiful out. Chilly night last night. I will say that. A little chilly. It was in the 40s last night. But it is very nice right now. And, but yeah, just getting ready to start another day. Absolutely gorgeous. So real quick, guys, I will not be live streaming tonight at 8 o'clock. But I will be live streaming Monday night. Okay, so we're going to do it Monday night instead of tonight. So Monday night, excuse me, 8 o'clock, I will be live streaming. So just wanted to put that out there ahead of time so everybody knows. And I was going to show you guys. Sandy came over yesterday, and her and I were in the pavilion here, organizing some stuff. So I'm going to show you what we were doing. So one of the things that we were doing before, so it's definitely looks more open. Got that table down, that's behind there now. Those are going to get broken down, these two here. All those things will go into the cupboards. And then she brought a bunch of these plastic containers so that we can put stuff in there that way as well. But one of the things that we had talked about before as a group when we got started with everything was that we were using a lot of plastic silverware, forks, knives, all that type of stuff, and we were like, we really need to get regular utensil silverware here, for the group to use. And so we had started gathering some stuff, and I got a bunch of stuff here too as well. So, but yeah, we just started getting things organized. That's a bunch of iodized salt that Sandy had picked up, coffee filters that Sandy had picked up, as extra stuff to have here. And so, and then we got. So there's some of that silverware in the plastic container. Like I said, I got a bunch of other forks and stuff that I'm going to bring out here. But just trying to slowly get things organized a little bit. We got obviously more to do, to get it more squared away. But she cleaned the counter. I don't think she put anything in the drawers themselves. She didn't. But we did put stuff down below here for now. And like this one has got a few things in there as well. So like she has some towels, hand towels and stuff, but we got them in a plastic container to keep them, safer. And then this has got not much in that one. But this will all get organized, all get filled up. We took the stuff off the shelf over here, except for the egg crates, or egg cartons, I should say. And so, just trying to, just even with having that table down, okay? And that obviously, like I said, these two totes are going to be emptied and put in here as well. It's already opened up more. So that's kind of neat. Happy about that. It'll be much better, like I said, instead of having that table, we'll have this countertop to utilize. We will be utilizing, and I know I told you guys this before, but we're going to take this sink here, and that's going to end up going right here. We're going to build a frame for it, get the plumbing in for it, and then, it will go right there, and we'll be able to wash dishes and stuff like that right inside, and that'll be a good thing. But Yeah, slow. Like I said, steady, steady, steady. Getting things squared away, making them look better, and it'll just be, like I said, it's just going to be better and better. So, pretty happy about that. Like I said, cherries are starting to ripen up now, but it's just been like nothing but rain. We've had nothing but rain. So, but, so there's all that. Lots of cherries. And then these guys are mostly all still yellow on here. But anyhow, so that's finally no rain. Yesterday was, it did rain a little bit yesterday, but I think we're done for right now, which will be nice. So my goal this fun Sunday before I have to head off to work, I'm going to do some laundry, do a little cleaning up, get all that going. We'll go over here and check on the bees and see what they're looking like. Oh yeah, they went through that sugar water with the quickness. I thought they might, now that the sun is out. They're going to be much busier. So I will be changing that out this morning as well before I leave. So just a few chores to do, keep me occupied. Keep me busy. Well, the weather, like I said, the weather's not been real conducive for them either. So a lot less activity, but they seem to be ramping it up now. So that's all right. We'll get them rocking and rolling, and they should be in pretty good shape. But yeah, so it's nice to actually not having it rain nonstop. It had been ridiculous. I'm hoping that tomorrow to restart again on the chicken run, get more going with that so that I can get that project moving and done for now. Like I said, and then the chicken coop itself, we will eventually make a larger one for them. And but the chickies are all doing good. I keep telling the other five girls they better not be too bad at bullies, because there's 9 new hens that are hanging together, and so they got the numbers on them. But I did lay down new straw in here yesterday. Here they are. Everybody's kind of hanging out now. But no, everybody's doing good. But yeah, eventually here, like I said, I'll get this squared away, and then they'll have a big area to run around in. That's the goal, obviously. But anyway, that's all I got for right now, guys. I'm going to jump off here so I can get a few things done, and some morning chores, and then, like I said, I want to get some laundry done and all that good stuff. So I hope y'all are doing well. Continue to be safe, continue to prep, continue to get ready, and I will see you all tomorrow. Prepper Nurse 1 out for now.